Hello and welcome back to another episode of Business Partner. When a business needs to hire new employees, it starts with understanding exactly what kind of worker they need. This process begins with a job analysis. Job analysis is like a detailed study of the task and responsibilities involved in a specific job. For example, if a supermarket wants to hire a cashier, they would look at what tasks the cashier does, such as handling cash, helping customers, and restocking shelves. They ask what skills are needed, how much time is spent on each task. By carefully analyzing the job, the business can understand what is really required for that role. Once the job analysis is done, the next step is to create a job description. Think of a job description as a clear summary of what the job involves. For instance, the supermarket might produce a job description for a cashier that states responsible for scanning items, handling transactions, assisting customers, and keeping the checkout area tidy. This helps both the employers and potential employees understand what the job is about. It acts as a guide for anyone interested in applying. After that, the business needs a job specification. This is different from the job description because it focuses on the qualities and skills the ideal candidate should have. For example, the supermarket may specify that the cashier should have good communication skills, previous experience in retail, and be able to work flexible hours. The job specification helps employers select the right person for the role by setting out what attributes are necessary. In simple terms, the process starts with understanding the job thoroughly through the analysis, then clearly explaining what the job involves with a description, and finally outlining what kind of candidate is suitable with a specification. For example, companies like McDonald's analyze their roles carefully to hire staff who fit their fast-paced work environment. This method makes sure business find the best fit, making the recruitment process quicker and more effective.
So I think it's enough for today. So thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. So take care of yourself and don't hesitate to write an email if you have any question, query, suggestion, and even classes are required. Take care of yourself meanwhile. See you in the next video. Goodbye.